Let's talk about the importance of glycemic index of the food in the diet which is given to diabetic patient. Different carbohydrates they raise to the blood sugar to the different extent. हर फूड का कुछ ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स अलग होता है, and to recommend a diet for a dietitian should always be taken into consideration. The glycemic index indicates the extent of rise in the blood sugar in response to the food in comparison with the response to the equivalent amount of glucose. So glycemic index is therefore important in planning a diet for the diabetes. Generally जो cereals होते हैं like wheat, rice, potato, tuber, root vegetables like carrot also, so they have a higher glycemic index, that is 65 to 75%. The medium or moderate intermediate glycemic index is for the fruits like that is 45 to 55%, and the lower is for the legumes and lentils जैसे dry beans, green beans, peas, and Bengal gram, etc. Bengal gram that is 30 to 40%. Bengal gram, in addition to lowering the sugar, it also prevents the atherosclerosis by reducing the serum cholesterol and triglyceride level. Okay, one has to always remember that though the food which are high in fat like groundnut and milk, ice creams, and they have a low glycemic index, but because of their higher fat content they may increase the serum cholesterol as they have the higher calorific value, and they can also increase your weight, leading to the obesity. So similar way fructose has its effects on the serum lipids, so which is not more recommended. Glycemic response of the different food is actually influenced by the physical form, how they are taken, the cooking method, and the type of physical form, that is I said. So अगर ground rice अगर आप खाते हैं तो it raises the blood sugar more faster than the unground rice. Okay, and the glycemic response is higher with the cooked than with the raw food. This is also to be noted. Diet with the low GI food like low glycemic index are generally rich in fiber, and high carbohydrate and high fiber diets it improves the glucose tolerance, it reduces the diabetic symptoms, and in addition to this, the dose of oral diagnostic anti-diabetic drugs can be required. Or another approach to this is like increase in fiber content is by addition of putrefied fiber supplements such as wheat bran, gorgum, tagaranth, oatmeal, isabgol, they can be added to the diet. So fenugreek seeds are also very important. They contain a higher fiber and they can be useful in diabetic in many ways. So high carbohydrate and a high fiber diet are beneficial in controlling the blood sugar and serum lipids. So modern diets, certain modern diets are there. So good control, they have a good control on the blood sugar level is very important for the prevention or postponement for the long term complications of the diabetes. So since the food which have low GI, that is low glycemic index and high fiber content, it raises the blood sugar to a lesser extent. Okay, then the diets are planned according to the patient's requirement. It should be tailor made, and it should be according to the patient's need, age, sex, body weight, and physical activities. जनरली लीन डायबिटिक जो दुबले पतले लोग होते हैं उनको उनके बॉडी वेट के हिसाब से मेंटेनेंस डाइट दी जाती है 1800 से 2000 के कैलोरीज की. ओबेस पीपल को ओबेस डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स को गिवन डायबिटिक द टोटल कैलोरीज गिवन टू देम आर 1200 to 1500 k calories, so the weight can be reduced. So the obese diabetes should reduce the body weight by exercise and by the dietary means. Okay, let's talk about like some of the guidelines like डाइटरी अल्टरेशंस क्या होते हैं एसोसिएटेड डिसऑर्डर्स के साथ में? जैसे अगर कोई डायबिटिक पेशेंट है जिसको हायर सीरम लिपिड्स है और हाई हार्ट डिसीज़ है, तो उसके हिसाब से उसके डाइटरी फैट पे कंट्रोल किया जाना चाहिए। दूसरे, प्रोटीन इंटेक ऐसे पेशेंट का कम किया जाना चाहिए जिनको कुछ रीनल डिसीज़ है, यस। एंड सॉल्ट इंटेक अगर पेशेंट का ज़्यादा है बिकॉज ऑफ हाइपरटेंशन एंड रीनल डिसीज़। सो ये थोड़े डाइटरी अल्ट्रेशन किए जा सकते हैं डाइट में डायबिटिक पेशेंट के। I hope this information is very essential, very beneficial to you as far as the glycemic index is concerned. And some of the glycemic index of the common food जो खाए जाते हैं वो मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ। इसका सोर्स है क्लिनिकल अमेरिकन जर्नल ऑफ क्लिनिकल न्यूट्रिशन से ये मैंने लिया है। सो like all the cereal products like bread, millets, right, wheat, they have the GI, that is glycemic index, in the range of 70 to 75%. And breakfast item जैसे है इडली, छोले, उपमा, then gram, sandal, they have a glycemic index of 65 to 70 percent. Then other milk products, like they have low GI, that is milk, ice cream, curds, like 30 to 35%. Then groundnuts, potato chips, tomato soup, they are in the range of 15 to 51%. Then fruits like apple 39%, bananas 69%, orange 40%. Okay, and vegetables like brown bean, frozen beans, potatoes, they are in the range of 40 to 45%. Okay, dry legumes are in the range of 40 to 25 to 40%. And 30 to, yeah, then sugars, स्पेशली अगर हम शुगर्स का देखेंगे तो फ्रुक्टोज 20, देन उसके बाद ग्लूकोज 100, माल्टोज 105, सुक्रोज 59 and honey 37. So these are certain glycemic index. These are according to the values I got from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.